In this tutorial, I'll show you how to burn in captions or subtitles with rounded corners on background in Subtitle Edit. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, most subtitles that you see have more or less the rectangular kind of box around them and not like the rounded corners kind of box that you'd like to see for the background. Now, it's super easy to achieve that in Subtitle Edit. Now, I'll go to Video. Just import a video, and for demonstration purposes I'm going to use the audio to text feature to quickly generate subtitles for this particular video. Now, this particular step should be the last step that you do before you burn in your subtitles to the video. Now, I'll select all this, more or less. You may or may not, and just click on the drop down and then click on Advanced Substation Alpha. And once I do that, with all the lines selected, just right click, ASSA Tools, Generate Background Box. I'll click on that. And from here, we've got a bunch of options, and the style for this is rounded corners. So by default, you may be at square corners like that, and you can see the edges right here, or you can have a circle, or you can have spikes, or you can have bubbles. But for this video, we want rounded corners. If I click on that, that's what we get. A really cool feature. As I've mentioned, this should be the last step that you do. So if you're satisfied with this, I'll just click on OK. And once I do that, you'll see a bunch of new parameters that have been added, and these are the subtitle box background, and this is what all those parameters look like. This is hard to memorize or do whatever with it, so that's why I'm saying it should be the last step. And let's assume you actually wanted to do something else. You'll actually, if you go back to that particular feature with this available, let me show you, and say you kind of adjust this to like 70 and press on enter, see what happens. You get a bunch of other things. So don't do this as the first step. It should be the last step before you burn in your subtitles to your video. Let me press on Ctrl Z to undo all those changes up to where we have our subtitles with the rounded corners for the background. Now, once you're satisfied, just go to Video, Generate Video with burned-in subtitles. And from here, you can even see with the preview, the subtitles have the rounded corners right there, right there, right there. They're looking really, really good. So should be the last step before you burn in. Because we converted our subtitle to ASS, you don't have these settings to work with right here. That is changing the font size, outline, and so on and so forth. So what we have now is just the video resolution to work with, the cut from, and all these other options. But let's assume you're satisfied. I'll just click on Generate and then just call it whatever. And you can see a note, Advanced Substation Alpha styling will be used. Good job. So it's done. Open containing, and then let's just double click to play. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use this. So you can see the rounded corner background box in Subtitle Edit has been used to burn in or in the burn in feature, and it's super simple and super handy. If you want to kind of customize your subtitles to a different look and feel, you can easily add the rounded corners to the background of your subtitles in Subtitle Edit and burn in the subtitles or captions. I hope this video is of value to you. Until next time, stay safe and never stop learning. Thanks for watching.